We've been podcasting since 2014, and we have used a lot of different podcast hosting tools in that time. We previously paid for 2 different podcast hosting services. We were using Simplecast for our main Growing Steady podcast, and then we were paying for Hello Audio for our private members-only coaching podcast. As a listener of the Founders of Transistors podcast, Build Your SaaS, I heard Justin and John mention that they were launching dynamic ad insertion and private podcast hosting, and I knew that was the time for us to switch over to Transistor. I was a little nervous that we were going to have to move these 2 separate podcast hosts into one and if it was all going to go over well, but their migration was seamless and very simple. Podcast hosting should be pretty intuitive. It's not that difficult, and Transistor has done a great job of executing on this and can't say enough good things about how solid their customer support is.